Today we will learn extrude command to make 3D objects from a 2D base. Although first we have to select 3D environment, click on southwest isometric view and set the environment for our drawing. Type the limits command. Set the lower left corner as 0, 0 and upper right corner as 100, 100. Type units to set the units of drawing. Select the millimeter as units and type zoom and select extents. Set the grid as 10 and snap as 10. Draw a rectangle with a rectangle command. Select the first corner of the rectangle and select other corner of the rectangle as 50, 50. Type the extrude command. Select the rectangle and press enter. Now you can see that it is asking for the height of the extrusion. We can type the height directly at here or just select the height by clicking on anywhere on the screen. Let us type the height as 30 and here is our object. We can also extrude circles. Now make a circle. Select the center point of the circle and radius as 20. Type the extrude command and select circle as our object. If there is problem in selecting objects, set the snap off. Select the object, press enter. We can also specify the height in negative for the downward direction and height in positive for the upward direction. Let's say it is again 20 and here is required cylinder. We can also extrude the polyline. This is our polyline. Assume that the polyline is not closed. Type extrude. Select the polyline, press enter and type height as 20. The main difference between this polyline object and other objects is that this is a surface while these are the solids. Now again make a polyline. This time make the polyline as a closed object and type extrude. Press enter and type the required height. Now this time the extruded object is a solid. Now let move this object at here so that it interferes our rectangular object. Type the union command. Select both objects one by one and press enter. Here you can see that it is combined object. We can also subtract one object from another object. Select this object and move it at here. Now type the subtract command. Select the first set of objects, press enter, and select the second set of objects and press enter, and here is the required output. We can also use union and subtraction command in 2D. Let this is circle, and again this is rectangle. Now let us try the union command. Select the both objects one by one and press enter. You can see the error. At least two solid surface or coplanar regions must be selected. The main reason behind here is that these are pure circles and rectangles. Let's convert these objects to the region using the region command. Select objects one by one and press enter. Now you can see the two regions created message. Now try the union command again. Select first object and second object one by one and press enter. Here you can see the required effect. Now again there is a circle. And convert it to region using the region command. Press enter. Now try the subtract command. Select the first set of objects, press enter, and select the second set of objects as press enter, and here is the required object. You can also extrude the final object. Type the extrude command, select the object, press enter, and specify the required height, and here is the required output. We can also make taper objects using the extrude command. Let us try with the circle. Create a circle with the required base. Type extrude. Select the circle. Press enter. Now at here select the taper angle with the help of T. Type T. Press enter and specify the taper angle as 20 and type the required height, and you can see the required output. Now try with the rectangle command. Specify the first corner and specify the other corner to make the object. Type extrude to extrude the object. Select object, press enter. Type T to specify the taper angle. Specify 45 as a taper angle and type height as 30, and here is the required object. Try the steering wheel. To see the objects. Type the orbit command to see the real object from different perspectives.